Okay, in this tutorial we are going to choose a path. We're going up here to Pathways, and then we'll slide down, choose a path. Now, if by chance you are a dual member, this is where you will click. So whichever path you're going to give it to that club, make sure you have that selected. Most likely you are just a member of one club, which is fine and dandy. Choose your path. Your path is an additional $20, which is a one-time fee for the path. We're going to continue to select paths. You have two choices here. You have the digital, and then you have an additional materials. Quite frankly, you can print off what you need here, or you can spend the extra $25 on top of the 20 to get the printed material. We are going to assume you're going to go with the digital. We are going to click on that and slide down. If you already know what path you want, we'll pop over to this. But we're going to assume that you're not 100% sure what path you want to take. So let's go into take the assessment and continue. You will start your assessment by answering a series of questions. At the end of that, Toastmasters International will give you 3 pathways that they suggest you take. You still have to pick one of those 3. If you don't want one of those 3, you don't necessarily have to accept. Okay, you will hit start and take your assessment. At the end of that, it will give you 3 options that they think would be good for you. You can choose one of those 3, or you can choose one of the other paths. It's totally up to you. We're going to go ahead and get out of that and come back over here. And we're going to view path options. Continue. Here you can come in and it gives you an overview of all the different paths. So if you want to go in and, do some more research, you can. I'm going to go ahead and pop back out. And I went just a little too far. Okay, so we'll come back into that. Let's say you want to do visionary communications. We're going to select that. Come down here to continue. Continue. And now you're just going to do it just like any other purchase and just follow the prompts as you go. And you'll have your pathway. Then you can go to the next tutorial on getting started with your pathway. Congratulations. I'll see you at the next meeting.